this Huawei configuration example, we'll configure VLANs on two different Huawei series. Let's start. Before our VLAN configuration, let's check our IP configurations on the PCs. As you can see, the first PC's IP address is 10.10.10.1. The second is 2. The third is 3. And the fourth is 4. And now let's try to ping the other PCs here. This is our IP address, and this is the second PC. This is the third. As you can see, all the pings are successful because there is no VLAN configuration. It's okay. Before VLAN configuration, all the PCs are accessing the other PCs. Now let's create our VLANs, VLAN 2 and VLAN 3 in the switch 1, and we will also give a description to these VLANs. To enter configuration mode, we will use system here. And VLAN 2, description, for example, sales. Description, engineering. Display VLAN. We are seeing our VLANs. As you can see, we have created VLAN 2 as sales and VLAN 3 as engineering. And there is no ports under them yet. All the ports are under the default VLAN 1. After adding our VLANs, now we will configure our switch ports. First we will start to configure access ports, and then we will configure our trunk port. Let's start. First Ethernet interface is for VLAN 2 is 002, and here firstly we will add the ports type. It is an access port. It will access to VLAN 2, and then we will add our VLAN on the path VLAN, and for Ethernet 003 we'll add also the port type as access, and we'll add this interface under VLAN 3. And now let's configure the trunk port. This port is Ethernet 001. As you can see here, we'll configure this port now. Again, porting type will be configured, but this time we'll configure it as trunk port, and after that we'll add the trunks allowed VLANs. Here we'll allow VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. And this part is okay. Let's save our configuration. Now let's do the same configuration on our second Huawei switch. First we are creating the VLANs, and then we are giving their descriptions here. It's okay. Now we'll configure our interfaces. First the 002. We are defining their link type as access. They will access to the VLANs. And we are giving the default VLAN to them. And we'll do the similar configuration for Ethernet 003. Again, we are setting it as access port, and it will access to VLAN 3. We will configure the trunk interface also here. Type is trunk here, and here we will also give the allowed VLANs on this trunk. Our VLANs are 2 and 3, VLAN 2 and 3. Let's save our configuration. And now let's see our VLANs. As you can see, our ports and VLANs are here. There are 3 VLANs. One is default, and the others are created by us. It is time to verify our configuration. Here we'll ping from PC1 to the other PCs. PC1 we can ping the PC3 because they are in the same VLAN, as you can see, but we cannot ping from PC1 to PC2 and PC4. Let's try here. This is our IP address, and this is PC2. As you can see, there is no ping because PC2 is in another VLAN, in VLAN 3. And as you can see, we can ping PC3 because it is in the same VLAN with us in VLAN 2. And we cannot ping PC4, as you can see, because it is in a different VLAN. This is basically VLAN configurations on Huawei series.